Bhindi masala is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Today I'll be showing you all how to make bhindi masala. It's really very easy and delicious recipe. Let's start. For that we require okra or bhindi cut into small cylinders, tomato puree, yogurt or curd, sliced onions, besan, tomato, salt, garam masala, asafoetida, turmeric, onion, ground cumin and coriander, red chili powder, cumin seeds, garlic, ginger and oil. So first I'll put the basin and coat the lady's finger or the bhindi. So for about 2 cups of bhindi we require about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour. So coat the bhindi really well into the besan. After that I'll add the spices to it. First ground cumin and coriander, about 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, and coat the bhindi well into the spices. Mix it well. And now we are going to cook the bhindi. So for that, in a pan I will take oil and then add the cumin seeds to it. Stir it, and after about 2 minutes I am going to add the bhindi to it. Perfect. Now we are going to cook this bhindi on high flame. And check the seasoning. If you want to add anything like the red chili powder or salt, you may add it right now to the bhindi. And let it cook. Adjust the flame accordingly and stir occasionally. Once the bhindi is cooked, we are going to transfer it in a bowl. So you can see now the bhindi is cooked. Transfer it in a bowl, and in the same pan I'll take oil, about 1 tablespoon, and then add cumin seeds to it, 1 teaspoon. Grate some garlic, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic, crushed or grated. And then grate the ginger. Again about 1 to 2 teaspoon of grated or crushed ginger, and mix it well on medium high flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I'll add asafoetida, that is hing, and turmeric, 1 teaspoon each, and mix it well on high flame, and then add the sliced onions to it. 2 medium sized sliced onions or 1 big onion should do it, and cook well again on high flame. Once the onions become translucent, to this I will add finely chopped onions. You may crush the onions if you want to. Coarsely crushed onions. And cook well on high flame. Make sure the onions are cooked well. That is very important. And then add the tomato puree to it. So about 3 to 4 medium sized tomatoes, and cook well. It's very important that the onions and the tomatoes are cooked. Then add some salt as per taste and mix well. You'll see they are cooked now. So I will add chopped tomatoes, 1 medium sized tomato. Chop it roughly and add it. No need to cook this tomato. To this I will add about 1 to 1.5 cup of yogurt or curd and mix well. On high flame, keep stirring because we don't want the yogurt to split. And then add some water to adjust the consistency. So about half cup of water or as required. And once it comes to a boil, I will add salt to it if required. We have already added some salt. So as per taste, and then add the red chili powder. 2 to 3 teaspoon. Ground cumin and coriander 2 teaspoon. Garam masala 2 teaspoon. And mix it well. Let the spices cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. And now to this I will add the cooked bhindi. Now mix everything well on high flame. And I'm going to add Kashmiri red chili powder to this for dark orange color. Perfect. And this is how our bhindi masala is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.